To get the most out of article marketing, you need to understand the strategies that deliver real results to your business online. Tips like the tips in this great article can have a big impact on article marketing. Adding links to other articles that are helpful and relevant can be a huge benefit for article marketing. The benefit of adding a link back is that it will help your search ranking and allow readers to read more and more articles. Use RSS feeds in article marketing strategies. RSS is a way to automate content distribution. RSS feeds deliver content, e.g. articles, to subscribers as soon as they are published. This is because the user can subscribe explicitly and opt out at any time. Even when you outsource your site's posts, always be as personal and original as possible. A good way to do this is to write your own page and send it to a specialist for final contact. Consider 600 words, the absolute word limit for articles written for article marketing purposes. The overall style of the online article is determined by the informal interest range of the online reader, and the overall length is not different. If there are not enough 600 words for the topic of the article, it is necessary to narrow the focus. If you're targeting articles for specific niches or industries, make sure you've mastered the proper slang or jargon. Do your research and make sure you understand the subject well. You will continue to read what you write by convincing your readers that you are an authority in the field. When naming articles, make sure they are attractive to the reader. You need to keep the keywords in the headline, but they should also stand out to the reader. If your headline doesn't appeal, no one will want to read what you wrote. Make the reader feel like you have read the article. When marketing an article, always provide information. You can sell yourself, do not be so obvious. Readers are looking for things that will help them, and there are no advantages for readers when trying to sell themselves. To get started with article marketing, write an original article for your website and optimize it for basic keywords and 400 to 500 word lengths. As more articles become the basis to follow, you will want to be good quality, well-written articles. Submit your articles to all major RSS feeds. When the article is published on the website, it pings the website's RSS feed. To maximize article marketing efficiency, experienced article authors must complete all necessary research before they begin writing. It is good to use reference materials for quotations or drawings, but before you write, you need to complete the learning necessary to write with confidence. This will speed up your writing and keep your article in focus. Knowing your prospects is good for any type of marketing. For affiliate marketing, it's convenient because you need to know what type of product or service you want to advertise. If your ad is relevant to your audience type, it's more appropriate to click on the ad. Publishing is the goal of article marketers. Sites, blogs, and other directories that host content and link back to your site are essential. Each site has its own terms and conditions, so please read and follow them carefully. Consider including an image in your article to attract more attention. The image can be immediately noticeable, and if you incorporate the image into the article will stand out. But don't use any copyrighted or unauthorized images. Write articles that solve some of the problems for your readers. Many people scour the internet to solve any kind of problem and find a quick and cheap cure. If you sell an ebook that offers 20 natural remedies for treating acid reflux, list all the possible reflux symptoms to clearly identify this problem in the article. If you give your readers free information that shows their sincere desire to help, you will need to buy an ebook containing remedies. Incorporate as much relevant information as possible into your articles. People read because they are interested in learning something. Include as many actual statements as possible. This will make the reader complete the article and give them the feeling that they spent their time wisely. After completing the marketing article, you need to create a summary which is at least